Wow, that's the first time I ever crapped my pants on the air. I pulled up the water vapor thingamadoody for the other side of Earth, and holy smokes, that thing looks like a monster. Go ahead and let your jaw drop if you want to. This is the other side of Earth, and what I'm looking at looks super freaky. Yeah, these two systems are enough to make you double crap your pants. Wow, this looks doomier and doomier the more I look at it. Am I the only one that feels this way? Well, I guess it's a good time to celebrate life. I mean, look at how it's just growing and ripping off the coast. That doesn't look normal or good. I don't know if you know this. Thor News is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around. Hit the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents... This is a lot of water vapor. I mean, a lot of water vapor. That's a ton. It's a whole lot of wetness floating around. I hope you're ready. Be prepared, Mexico. See all these spots here? Well, expect this future ballerina row of waves to become depressions and tropical storms. And oh no, I would not be surprised to see one or two end up hitting the United States. And that hurricane's just kind of sitting there, hanging out. It's like he's got no job, nothing to do, no place to go. So he'll just sit there and grow. Oh no. It's almost like one big complex of storms. Tropical Storm Earl. Somebody arrest this big ass freaking nature. Tropical Storm Earl. He's just chilling over hot waters in the Gulf of Mexico, making landfall and bringing a whole lot of water. It's a wave of depression parties that have potential to get more intense over time across the Atlantic equatorial line. It's like the equatorial electrojet is firing up. Weird. Just as the sun is freaking out. That's right. Invest 97L has grown up to be a full-fledged tropical storm. And as you can see, the entire El Nino line, the American belly of Mother Earth, is getting hot and bothered. It's going to cause probably a lot of flooding in Mexico. And I've seen projections as well say there's probably going to be a lot of flooding in these areas over the next 7 days. True story. Man, Tropical Storm Omais looks like the biggest tropical storm of all time. Strange weather days indeed. I'm going to get doomy, which means I'm going to tell some jokes. Wow, look at those strafing lines. I guess it's because there's a lot of atmospheric strife. Wet is blue and super wet is green. The earth looks wet, bro. Air and all. That thing is crazy. Whoa. Don't stare at it too long or it'll start to feel super doomy. That is wild. Wow. Look at how all this fires up pretty much together at the same time. See that? There's a whole giant stormy region locked in sync and step. Wild. And then you got whatever the hell's going on in Africa. Whatever's going on over Africa. Is that Africa? Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I imagine some of this moisture is going to end up here. So get ready. This ain't funny. This is wild, weird, wacky weather. Comet dives into the sun freaks out, and then we have weird weather. Welcome to 2016. Is it the sun? Is it aliens? Is it carbon? Is it underground spies operating above the soil? I don't know. Right now, it's just important that we'll be aware, get ready, and start to work together as Earthlings. How's that sound? I don't know if I've ever seen a storm that big. And giant Duke of Earl